Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy women crocheting patterns. Knitted patterns, easy patterns, most beautiful, most trendy women crochet jewelry ideas you can see in this my video. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women crochet earring designs, stylish jewelry ideas. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of crochet earring designs, you can easily make these very beautiful crochet earrings if you know crochet work. You can buy these very beautiful crochet earrings if you know crochet work. Most beautiful, most trendy women crochet earring ideas for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. Please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can wear these very beautiful crochet earring designs in the birthday party or wedding party with matching dress designs, matching dress colors, stylish color combination contrasts you can see in this my video. Every design is beautiful, different and trendy. Light colors, dark colors, stylish color combination contrasts you can see. If you want to buy this very beautiful crochet earring design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Most beautiful, most trendy women crochet earring designs. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories.